Ahead.
At parking, information, Mike, read to copy.
You are cleared to Victor, Oscar, Charlie, India, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Cleared to Victor, Oscar, Charlie, India, 4,000 feet, when ready to start.
Up approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi. Cabin crew. Prepare doors for departure and cross-check.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. And also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask the flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you.
Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ready for departure.
Wind 176 degrees, 2 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 27. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway 27. Call you back passing. Contact, radar, on, 118 decimal. Radar, 4,100 feet. Inbound, Delta Echo.
Radar contact. Waypoint, Delta Echo, heading 266.
Request landing information.
Good day. Continue descent. Runway 27. Report full establish.
Continue descent. Flaps. Runway 27. Wilco. Tower, good day. Full establish runway 27.
Good day. Wind 110 degrees, 0 knots. Clear to land runway 27.
Flaps clear to land runway 27.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have not yet reached the gate. Please remain seated until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Thank you.